Hello everyone, welcome to Appalamma's kitchen. In this video, let's see how we can make garlic puffed rice chaat. This serves as a very good evening snack, or this can be even paired with tea or coffee. Let's get started now. To start with, I took here 3 cups bloated puffed rice. If it is soft for any reason, to make it crisp, I've uploaded a video already, the link for which is given in the description box. This is salted puffed rice. The remaining ingredients are half cup fresh coconut, grated coconut, 2 to 3 green chilies or as per your taste, a fistful of fresh coriander, 4 to 5 garlic cloves. Now take a mixie jar, add all these ingredients to the mixer jar and grind them coarse. It gives better taste if it is grinded coarse. Add sufficient salt only for this mixture because the puffed rice is salted. Now after grinding coarse, this is the mixture. Add this mixture to the puffed rice. It's very simple. It hardly takes 5 minutes. That's it if all the ingredients are ready. Now add 1.5 to 2 tablespoons oil. Here I have added refined oil. You can take olive oil, coconut oil, or melted desi ghee or clarified butter as per your taste. Combine everything and this is absolutely ready to be served. But please make sure that you prepare this dish only before you consume. Otherwise, the puffed rice would become soft. So the yummy, tasty garlic puffed rice chaat is ready now. If you like this, please give a thumbs up, share it, and please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you.